this is the Santa's Visit set. It's actually retiring this month in December 2023. So do go and grab this set before it actually retires. You're going to absolutely love it. Down the front here, we've got the mum, the dad and the baby or the child. Up here, we've got Santa. And I'll show you a neat trick with Santa in a moment. But the way this kind of like roof goes on, the berries inside of here, it's just absolutely amazing. I really like this set. We've got a little bit of detail around the side here. We've got a little snowman. We've got some little bells above the window. And just the way they put all the snow on this is just absolutely amazing. Inside here, we've actually got some amazing detail. So we've got a little table and chairs just here, which are really cool. Up here, we've got a little sleeping area with a little desk, and there's a little rocket. And there's a little planet just on the outside here, which I absolutely love. We've got some amazing detail inside as well. We've got little stockings over the fireplace. And inside here, we've got the flames. We've got little candles and clock and family picture above the mantelpiece. And just outside here as well, I'll just grab these up for you. We've actually got a cookies and a glass of milk for Santa for when he comes down to the chimney to visit. Really great addition to any winter village builds that you're doing for Christmas. It just looks amazing. It'd be really nice to add a light kit to this at some point. But one of the things that I wanted to show you is we've got little Santa, and if you do drop him down the chimney, he comes sliding down to deliver all the gifts right down the chimney. Absolutely love this set. It's really cool, really nice little set, in addition to any winter village build that you might be building.